Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an IMDb account on your mobile device. The Internet Movie Database is one of the largest online movie databases. The site collects its data based on the movie's titles, actors, crew, and displays them on pages with relevant information. It revolves around the film titles and individual actors. Also, crew members must be attached to the existing pages on the sites. Creating an IMDb account is very easy and straightforward process. So in order to do that, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. But one thing you need to know before creating an IMDb account is you will need to log into your existing Amazon account, or you have to create a new one if you don't have any. First, go to any browser on your mobile device and tap on it to open. Now tap on the search field and type for imdb.com. Go to the relevant results. And once you land onto an interface like this, go to the top right corner of your screen and tap onto the sign in option. As it takes you to another page, go to create an account option and tap on it in order to create a new account. On this page, you will have to fill up the information like your name, your email address, and you have to create a new password for an IMDb account. And once you have entered your details, go and tap on create your IMDb account. Now at the end, you will have to verify your email address. The IMDb sends the OTP to your email address, so go to your email address and copy the OTP, and you can paste it on the blank text field here. And once done, go and tap on create your IMDb account tab. And by tapping on it, you will have successfully created your IMDb account on your mobile device. And in this way, you can easily create your IMDb account and enjoy watching movies, your favorite series on IMDb. So this is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.